actually offered me to exchange Kimberly for 3 camels. I say I will never do that. Never change my wife for 3 camels. Maybe 5 camels is already reasonable. Of course I'm joking. We just arrived and here with our friend. What's your name, my friend? Brahim. Brahim, how long you do this? 14. For 14 years Brahim is driving camels. But we had sometimes dangerous situation with the camels.
It's not danger. It's okay. Not danger.
Our camel are waiting. Thank you, Brahim.
Thank you.
This is one of the most beautiful experience that you guys can do if you come here in Dubai. Why? Because it's so relaxing, it's so private, you are isolated from the city, isolated from the big metropolis over there, from the buildings, from the cows, from the cars. You're just here alone, contemplating and meditating, watching the desert. Camel have a new friend now. We can bring in Europe this back. At least we should not pay taxes, road taxes. Just clean their poop and that's it. Brahim is making videos to us and also pictures. He's a great photographer, Brahim. You have a career as a photographer, Brahim. So now we are coming back. We are going back to our camping. And there it will wait for us a good breakfast of the desert. It's 6:30 in the morning. We are here full of energy, ready to enjoy our breakfast and with our new friends and Brahim. And we are gonna park our camels and we will go to enjoy our breakfast there.
My name is Roshan, I am your guide. So this is the hummus, this is the chickpeas, olive oil with tahina sauce. Yeah. This is cheese. This is fall, beans.
Oh.
Yeah. And this is honey.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Yeah. This is your honey and this is also honey.
This is my honey.
This is our honey.
This is
And this is marmalade.
Marmalade.
Yeah.
oh.
That's good.
Yeah. It's a green salad with cucumbers, capsicum and tomato.
These are olives.
Sorry, green olives.
Green olives, alright.
Green olives. This is Lebanon.
What's labane?
Lebanon is a milk product, it's a dairy product.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. It's not cheese, different variety of cheese.
Kind
This
of
is cheddar
cheese.
cheese, yeah.
Okay. And
Egg,
Ooh.
omelette.
omelette.
This will be the bread.
This is typical Arabian bread. This I love it. This I love it. All right.
And here there is a milk, juice, apple.
Okay. A lot of things for us, my friend.
Yeah.
And this is a typical breakfast from the place.
Typical breakfast, yes.
Okay.
And would you like some Arabic coffee?
Some coffee will be great, yeah.
No, for me it's okay with this.
Arabic coffee. I already tried,
You can try more.
of course.
There is no sugar in the coffee.
No sugar,
You can
just
have the
coffee.
coffee and
Thank
this
you.
is a date.
This is date that always
The
goes with the
traditional way of
coffee.
drinking coffee is bite a coffee, sip a coffee, bite a date.
And can I take one? Or
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I will put it here on
Yeah,
my.
you can-
It's okay. One is okay. Thank you. You want date, Pebble?
No, I know. Thank you.
You want some soft drink or water?
Some water will be great also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
only one.
Water in the desert is always good.
And, you want some soft drink? Coca-Cola, Sprite?
No.
For this is enough. You want to enjoy with us, my friend?
Thank you. You can enjoy.
All right.
Yeah. Enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
So we're going to enjoy this great breakfast with my wife.